Welcome to English Practice Lab.
Hey everyone. Yeah, this is the place where we help you learn and practice English. We try to keep it simple, really useful for your everyday life.
Exactly. And today we're diving into something super important. How to get better at listening in English. And, listening is key because it actually helps you speak better too.
It really does. Good listening skills mean you understand people more easily, you can follow conversations, and honestly, it just makes you feel more confident when you're speaking.
Totally. So let's jump into our first big tip today, which is, well, pretty straightforward. Listen every day.
Consistency is so important.
It really is. And we're not talking hours here. Even just like 10 or 15 minutes every day can make a huge difference.
Yeah, you can fit it in easily.
Right, like when you're walking or maybe driving somewhere or even just doing chores like cleaning the house or cooking.
Perfect times for it. And you should start with stuff that's, easier for beginners. Things like podcasts designed for learners, maybe some simple music or easy videos.
Actually, this show, English Practice Lab, is a good example. We try to speak slowly and clearly, so it's easier for you to follow along and pick up new words and phrases.
Exactly. Okay, so let's try something right now. We want you to practice speaking too. Repeat the sentence out loud. I listen to English every day.
Go on, give it a try. I listen to English every day.
Nice. Making it a daily habit is step one.
Okay, moving on to our second tip. This one's especially useful if you like watching videos or movies. Use English subtitles.
Oh yeah, subtitles are fantastic.
They really are, because when you read the words while you're hearing them, it helps your eyes and ears work together. It makes it much easier to learn new vocabulary and understand how words are actually pronounced.
That's a great point. And you don't have to use them forever. You can start with subtitles on, and then maybe try watching for just a few minutes without them. See how much you catch. Then turn them back on if you need to. It's a good way to kind of test yourself.
Yeah, build up that confidence. Okay, what's next?
All right, tip number 3 is about repetition. Repeat the same audio. Listen to the same thing more than once.
Ah, okay. Like, how would that work?
Well, you can try this. First time, just listen. Try to get the main idea,
Okay.
Second time, maybe read along with a transcript or subtitles if you have them while you listen. Connect the sounds to the words.
Got it.
And then the third time, listen and try repeating the phrases out loud after you hear them.
Oh, I see. So listen and read, then listen and repeat.
Exactly. People who speak lots of languages, polyglots, they often use repetition. It really helps your brain lock in the information more effectively.
That makes sense. It gives your brain multiple chances to process it. Okay, my turn for the next tip.
Go for it.
All right, tip number 4 is kind of related to that last step of repeating. It's often called shadowing, but basically it's pause and repeat.
Ah, shadowing. Yes, very useful.
Yeah. So find a short video, maybe just 1 or 2 minutes long, play a sentence, then pause the video. Then you try to copy exactly what the speaker said. Mimic the pronunciation, the rhythm, the intonation, everything.
And don't worry if you sound a bit slow or awkward at first, right?
Not at all. Speak slowly. Take your time. The goal is just to practice making the sounds and getting used to the flow of English speech. It helps your accent, too.
Definitely. Okay, time for a bit more listener practice.
Let's do it.
Repeat these sentences after me. Ready? I watch videos with subtitles.
Your turn. I watch videos with subtitles.
Good. And the next one. I repeat short phrases.
Try it. I repeat short phrases.
Excellent. Keep practicing those.
Okay, so far we've talked about daily habits, subtitles, repeating audio, and shadowing. Let's move to something maybe a bit more fun. Tip 5. Listen to English songs.
Music. Yes, always a good idea.
Right. Music is fun, and song lyrics can be really catchy, which makes words easier to remember.
For sure. And if you're starting out, maybe choose songs that are a bit slower. Or even children's songs can be great. They're usually very clear.
Good tip. And try to find the lyrics online. Read them while you listen.
And sing along, even if you're off key.
Definitely sing along. It's fun, and it helps with pronunciation and rhythm without feeling like studying.
Okay, my turn for tip number 6. This one is super simple, but actually quite clever. Change your phone's language setting to English.
Oh, that is clever. Why does that help?
Well, think about it. You use your phone every day, right?
Constantly.
So if it's in English, you're seeing English words all the time, settings, notifications, app names. It's like this constant, gentle exposure. You learn words without even really trying. Passive learning.
I like that. Simple, but effective. Okay, we have one more main tip, and this one feels really important. Tip 7. Don't worry if you don't understand everything.
Yes. This is huge. Please remember this one.
It's so true. It is completely normal, especially when you're learning not to understand every single word someone says. It happens to everyone.
Absolutely. You don't let it frustrate you or make you want to stop practicing. That's the worst thing you can do.
Right. Instead, just try to focus on understanding the main idea. What's the general topic? What's the overall message?
Exactly.
Yeah.
And trust that your brain is still learning, even if you don't catch every detail. It's picking up the sounds, the rhythm, the common phrases. Over time, with more practice, you will start understanding more and more. Be patient.
That's really encouraging. Okay, so those are our main tips.
And, you know, a lot of these ideas, like listening every day, using repetition, being consistent, they're part of what people sometimes call the polyglot method.
Right. The strategies used by people who learn many languages.
Yeah. They often use simple steps, but the key is doing them consistently every day. It's all about building those habits.
That makes total sense. And besides listening, there are other little things you can do too, right? Like maybe keeping a notebook?
Oh, definitely. A small notebook just for English. You can write down new words you hear. Maybe try writing a simple sentence or two about your day in English.
Or practice questions and answers like, how are you? I am fine.
Exactly. And just try to sprinkle English into your daily life in other small ways. We mentioned changing your phone.
You can write your shopping list in English.
Good one. Or put little sticky notes on things around your house, table, chair, window.
Label your world. Or even just talk to yourself a little bit in English while you're doing things. Narrate your actions.
Sounds funny, but it works. It's
Yeah.
all about creating that immersion. The most important thing is just be patient with yourself.
Yeah.
Practice a little bit every day, consistently, and try to enjoy it. Learning a language should be, well, kind of fun too.
Absolutely. Okay, let's do a quick recap of all the tips we covered.
Good idea.
All right, so 1, listen every day, even just for a bit. 2, use English subtitles when you watch things. 3, repeat the same audio multiple times.
4, pause and repeat sentences out loud shadowing. 5, listen to and sing English songs.
6, change your phone language to English. And 7, the big one, don't worry if you don't understand everything. Just keep going.
Perfect summary. Okay, one last practice round for everyone listening.
Let's do it. Get ready to repeat.
Repeat after me. I listen to English every day.
I listen to English every day.
I watch videos with subtitles.
I watch videos with subtitles.
I repeat short phrases.
I repeat short phrases.
I sing English songs.
I sing English songs.
And finally,
Okay.
I keep learning every day.
I keep learning every day.
Fantastic.
Awesome job, everyone. Seriously, keep practicing these things. Little by little, you will improve.
Yes. Step by step, you can definitely do it.
So before we wrap up, we have a question for you. What's your biggest challenge in learning English? Is it listening, speaking, something else?
Let us know. Leave a comment below this video. And hey, if you have ideas for other topics you want us to cover, tell us that too.
Yeah, we'd love to hear from you. Thanks so much for listening to English Practice Lab today.
And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss our next session.
See you next time.
Bye.
Bye.